So we're at McFarland High School. Really like their field and track.
That's
the
pretty
walk
nice.
areas for the away team are nice. They have little like separate stands around the track. It's really, really nice. And they have lots of concessions, I've noticed.
Taco stand. Yeah.
$9?
Pound. All of you hang a pound.
Dos de pollo. El resto de asado. Okay, bueno, gracias.
Oh, there we
So I
go.
told you you're going to give him a shout out.
Oh, there we go. Got our tacos. Shout out to the taco guys.
But they're from the Arandas
What's that?
Taqueria
Oh,
in McFarland. So a percentage of their profits go to the general funds of the school. And they're here at every home game for McFarland.
so I hope you guys enjoyed that little B-roll segment there. Them making a quesadilla and serving up some tacos. Stuff looks good. Why did you bring a hair straightener?
You've got to find what you love. The only way to be truly satisfied is to do what you believe is great work. And the only way to do great work is to love what you do.
Halftime is 27-21.
McFarland has a Disney movie, but are their churros Disney standard? We're gonna find out. There it is, churro sign. Okay, if we get a picture?
Sure. With me? Hey, you gotta go on this side.
I'll be squeezing in. Ready? Oh shit.
No problem, thank you.
On YouTube?
Huh?
On YouTube?
JT Basic, yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
Oh!
What the heck is happening? Here's our McFarland churros. They're cheaper than Disneyland, but they're smaller. So that's good. But these ones are like super cinnamon. I'm a little concerned, but they're hot. So I'm gonna give them a try. Fresh and hot. The mix of the cinnamon to sugar needs to be corrected. Too much cinnamon, but they're super good. Super hot and fresh, really yummy, not soggy or oily or anything because they fry them. I'm distracted, but they're really yummy.
So that was a crappy loss.
Well, losing's always crappy.
I know, but like we totally had the time to make it back. 6 minutes with the ball left
Yeah.
on our side of the field, dude. Like they totally butchered that.
Offense just didn't make any plays on that last drive. That last possession.
And possession's 9/10 of the law, they say, especially with intent to distribute. That's a loss. I think we had a decent time out here in McFarland. We got a good track out here, good people, good concessions, dude. Them tacos was on point, I'm telling you. As we're gonna end the video, go ahead, comment down below. Let us know what you guys think of the game tonight. Subscribe, hit the thumbs up button.
No, you're saying it wrong. Comment, like, subscribe, tackle that subscribe button.
Is that a new thing?
Yes.
Tackle that subscribe button.
Tackle that subscribe button. If you want more videos, let JT Basic what you know what you want to see Friday Night Lights.
All right, guys, we'll see you later.